Kate here from Healthy Little Eaters, and today it is my absolute honour to be standing next to this wonderful man and his beautiful kitchen and home. For those of you who don't know, this is Dr. Espen Hjalmby. Dr. Espen is a chiropractor, yoga teacher, and he also travels the world teaching people how to become quantum, which kind of means limitless in any and all areas of their life. And today we're going to be doing a really simple recipe for kids that works perfectly with the business alignment of Healthy Little Eaters, which is, what we really want to do is inspire everyday children to become their own superhero and almost like their own warrior. And as you can see on the back of the shirt, we've got our very own Australian Ninja Warrior here. I'm going to get you to talk about your experience of being a Ninja Warrior and your story and how it came to be. So we've got celery for our bones, we've got tomato for our heart, we have broccoli for our brain, and also walnuts for our brain. So yeah, if you wouldn't mind sharing your story, that would be amazing.
Absolutely. Hey guys, for those of you watching, my name is Espen. It's good to meet you. If you're a parent, thank you for watching. This is really, really important stuff because the simple little steps that you can learn from today can help you inspire your children to eat healthier and also for yourself also to take care of yourself even better by example. So if you were with me many years ago, I used to work as a personal trainer and a nutritionist, and I started understanding how vitally important it is not just to have organic and healthy produce, but to prepare it in a way that the kids would eat it and enjoy it and want to keep eating more of it. So as I went through life, I learned about nutrition and functional movement and conscious breath, etc. And then I had a really horrendous motorcycle accident in Melbourne, Australia, 2006. I broke both my legs and almost died in the hospital from a really nasty staph infection. The thing that helped me then get from 2 broken legs back onto my feet were many of the principles that we teach in the quantum programs. But a main part, a key pillar of that is nutrition. Literally understanding that you become what you eat and you become like your environments. So as I was putting a lot of good things into my body to be able to heal my broken legs and eventually get back on my feet and learn to walk again, celery was a critical part of it because the high content of sodium and other nutrients in celery enable us to grow really strong bones. And so it's important for those kids out there watching, make sure you try and incorporate a lot of celery into your diet. Get celery into your, particularly celery juice. If you drink that every morning, absolutely amazing. As I started to go through life and eventually I healed my broken legs and I got out of the wheelchair, I started exercising again. I got a phone call from Australian Ninja Warrior and they asked if I wanted to be a part of the TV show here in Australia. And of course I said yes and jumped in there and started training. And eventually I got onto the first season, did pretty well in the top 10%, and then I got back in the second season. And then I was asked by the producers what the story was for coming back the second time. And I want to mention this in the heart for those of you watching because tomatoes is a really, really simple way of getting quality nutrition into the heart. It's also really good for your kidneys. My heart, the real reason why I wanted to do it the second time was to show everyone that it doesn't matter what obstacles you've gone through. If you take care of yourself, if you eat the right things, if you, like I do yoga, breath work and meditation, or kids out there, whatever you're inspired to do. If you like playing soccer or AFL, or you're doing karate, if you like ballet dancing, if you're an artist and a poet, whatever it is for you that makes your heart sing, that when you move your body that feels really good, go and do that and put your heart into it. Because when it's fun and you put the good things into your body, you're going to be able to not just live an incredible life and have so much fun, but also be an inspiration for other people, which is really special. Eventually I got into the second season of Australian Ninja Warrior and I crawled my way through the 6 obstacles. I got up the wall and I finally made my dream come true by hitting that buzzer. I was smashing that buzzer.
Oh, so good.
It was so cool, and the key to this is to understand the third principle here, which is broccoli and also these incredible nuts, which you clearly can see. Let's find one that's got 2 on there. You can clearly see that it's shaped just like a brain.
Amazing.
Alright, look at that. That is the 2 hemispheres, the left and the right hemispheres of the brain. The reason why this was so important to me as I went through the Ninja Warrior obstacles was that I trained my brain. Now kids, adults listening, this helps you train your brain so you can be fit, so you can be smart, so you can be energetic, so you can be focused, so you can be present. The first step, as we so beautifully heard already, is to put the right things into your body and to do so every single day, to take care of your body temple. It expresses itself with tremendous amount of energy, and then of course the byproduct of that is living an incredible life.
I really wanted to teach kids and my kids as young as possible about the effects of a healthy diet. And what's a better way than cards and puzzles and things like that to get kids really engaged? Because when kids play, it allows us to tap into their imagination, and from that imagination we can mould and we can push them towards a healthier lifestyle. And the amazing thing is that when you cut this tomato, across the belly, it actually looks like our heart inside. It has 4 chambers, they're both red. And they get to see how these fruits and vegetables, really target and can create into their own, superhero like you did yourself. So that's our simple recipe today. Look, I've cut up the veggies super, super small because kids eat with their eyes, they eat with their hands. So make sure you cut the fruit and veggies up really tiny, and they can sit there and they can just pick at it. Don't be afraid to let them sit there and use their fingers. They love to feel and touch. You can then add in, which I do, which my boys love, you can add in chickpeas. You've got heaps of protein packed in there. For flavour, I've added in a bit of apple cider vinegar, some olive oil and some salt. You can put in some lemon if you want. And it just becomes a beautiful little snack. Maybe you just get a little bowl, a little cup. Don't make it threatening for children. Just a tiny little serving, and they can sit there and you'll be surprised at how much they'll sit and just pick and eat this life-changing food, really.
Huge, absolutely phenomenal. So remember, as I say to my students across the world, like you are to me, what if you are the hero that you've been waiting for? And what if starting the journey into the new quantum you could be as so simple as starting to change your diet? And you mentioned some really key points there as to don't make it complicated for the kids. Let them play with the food a bit. Have some fun with it, and make it simple and gamify. We're talking about these carbs. One of the fastest growing ways to help influence people now, we see this in marketing across the world, is what's called gamification. Make it a fun experience, because when eating is a fun experience, they will want to do more of it.
Exactly. So guys, feel free to check it out on the website, which is healthylittleeatersgame.com. Do yourself a favour, and especially do your kids a favour. In these crazy times, you want your kids to be as strong mentally and physically as they possibly can. And it's just a beautiful way to teach them. So thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Healthy Little Eaters. Absolutely honoured to be in your presence.
Thank you.
And be sure to eat healthy, guys, and we'll see you soon.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Take care. Woo! There it is. Whoop! There it is.